Dear Jess, having eaten my way down through Gascony, I've reached the foothills of the Pyrenees. Gascony has been referred to as the French Tuscany, though I'd reverse that, and this cathedral village of Saint Bertrand de Comminges as the Mont Saint-Michel of the Pyrenees. And one day, you know, I'll be known as the Keith Floyd of YouTube. Cheers. As predictably as coq au vin, bœuf à la bourguignonne or steak frite, mention cooking Guinea Fowl, Pintade, to a Frenchman, and he'll follow up with Chou, with cabbage. Not particularly associated with this part of France, just a national staple, easily found amongst Grandma's old cookbooks on the kitchen shelf. And today prepared before an impressive backdrop, the Notre Dame Cathedral from the 12th and 14th centuries up above, and the beautiful 12th century Saint-Just Basilica in the fields below. Determined to hold my ground, the guinea fowl is broken down into legs and breasts with the first wing bone kept attached. The carcass and trimmings can be used for the stock in this recipe. Brown the pieces in duck or goose fat if you're in the southwest like me. Lard, butter or olive oil are perfect too. Don't be shy with the duck fat. The people around here live on the stuff, and they have the longest life expectancy in France. Once seasoned and browned on both sides, replaced with the sliced onions, carrots and celery, along with the lardon of salted pork belly or bacon. This is sweated down till quite soft, at which point the chopped garlic goes in, stirred for a few minutes more, and then, still resolutely holding one's ground, the white wine is poured in and is reduced by about half. Some recipes suggest a small tablespoon of flour mixed into the vegetables before the wine's added, just to thicken the sauce slightly, and I think this is quite a good idea. Remove the thick core of the cabbage and slice it up like so. This joins the mirepoix in the pan and given a good stir over a decent heat. Add the stock and return the guinea fowl, seasoning well before closing and cooking gently for an hour. The breast will cook quicker than the legs, so if you can be bothered, perfectionists amongst you may choose to hold off with the breast, adding it only after the first half hour of cooking. So ample time for a wander around Saint Bertrand de Comminges, a member of the Association of France's Most Beautiful Villages. Once the site of a Roman city with 10,000 inhabitants, today home to a more modest 250 residents, les Commingeois. Now, keen followers of my travels will recognise this typically Gascon cocktail, la pousse rapière, composed of the pousse rapière orange Armagnac liquor and the sparkling white Blanc de Blanc, both from the same property, the Château de Montluc. 6 parts of wine to 1 of liqueur. A delicious yet dangerous concoction, as it refreshes and slips down a treat. Far too easy to get properly smashed on the stuff before even taking your seat for dinner. Be warned. So the Pintade occupies a position between game and fowl, slightly gamier than chicken, and all the elements of the braise, the wine, the vegetables, pork belly, all combine to flavour the soft cabbage. Quite superb, I must say. So I do hope you'll give this French classic a go. Let me know how you get on in the comments, and do be sure to hit the subscribe and the bell to keep up to date with more fine dining in the field from all over these parts. Allez, bon appétit et large soif.